going on, guys? My name is Shreyas. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share my honest review about myprotein.co.in website or MyProtein India website. So I've been getting a lot of questions, and first of all, let me tell you that I would love to be paid to make this video, but sadly no supplement company these days try to offer me anything because they think I'm too honest or too open and I'm not politically correct about things. So in this video I'm going to give my honest review, and I really like MyProtein a lot, and you guys know that I'm a big advocate of supplements that concentrate more on the quality rather than quality of what's inside the pack than marketing and all these things. So MyProtein, I found out that they are not that into marketing, but they do have very good products. Okay, so it's very good that MyProtein launched their own website for Indian customers so that we can order directly from the UK, and it can limit the amount of fake supplements that has been circulating in our country. So the only reason why I'm talking about myprotein.co.in is because people always ask me about fake supplements. So if you order directly from the UK or whichever country this supplement is coming to you from, I think MyProtein comes from the UK. I honestly think that you should order from this website and not any other website if you want MyProtein supplements. Okay, so last month I ordered this supplement, okay, MyProtein Impact Whey. This is a 5 kg tub, 5 kg pack, and I think this is the birthday cake flavor. So the flavor is very good. Okay, I'll be very honest, MyProtein flavors are really good, but recently I've been getting a couple of complaints that the strawberry flavor that people order from Paradise Nutrition, which is the official importer for MyProtein for India, tasted very bitter. Okay, so that is why, guys, you don't have to take any risks from now. So without any risk, you can just order it from the official website. And also I think they are giving you a 25% off on for the launch. Okay, now this is the 5 kg pack, which this weighs around 5.4 kg, including this. Okay, this is the package that I got it with from my post office. So this is how it looks. Okay, it looks all fucked up. The simple reason is because this came through customs. Now customs is what you have to pay. Custom duty is what you pay for a percentage of what your total value of the product is. So I've also got this paper over here, okay, the post office. So I'll put a picture of this on the screen. You can take a screenshot, or also I'll upload this image on the web. You can download it from the link in the description box. So they mentioned that the declared value is what MyProtein bills. Okay, that is 3,747. So I got this supplement for 3,747 rupees. So they have declared a duty of 35% of the total value. So 35% here is 1,600. They have also added some handling fee, which is some 4%, which comes around 249. So I had to pay 1,900 rupees. So the total amount that I had to pay was 3,747 plus 1,900. The 3,747 you have to already pay on the website. So what I had to do is I had to go to the post office, right? I had to go to the post office and pay 1,900 rupees. So this is the simple step. Now I'll talk in detail about the website and how you can get the orders and how you get it, and what are the processes, what are the negative points and what are the positive points, and also about the customer service. Now I got this from a service called TrackPack. Okay, so they were I think the people who did the shipping and stuff. So MyProtein, when I ordered the supplement, they said that you will get the order within 7 to 10 days. Now 7 to 10 days is good, but remember that, guys, whenever you order something from outside the country, you cannot have a fixed delivery date. Okay, so you should firstly understand that. So no matter which company tells you, even if you want to order anything from China or Malaysia or any UK, US or any country, remember that please understand that you won't be getting your supplements within the mentioned time. It can take up to a month, a couple of months. There was a time when I ordered something from bodybuilding.com, I got it like 4 months later. Okay, so remember that you won't be getting in the mentioned time. So first they ship it from their country, which is from the base, okay, from the base or from the warehouse into your country, and it gets into the customs, and the customs more times than not they will open it up. Okay, they have opened my package the last time, and it all got fucked up, and they had to pack it again, and I got it in a very bad condition. So remember guys, anything that looks like big, this pack was big, right? So they will take it out and they will put custom duty on it. But my friend Gautaman ordered some normal citrulline mallet and stuff, so he got it without paying any custom duty. So the value of citrulline was some 1,000 rupees, or he ordered something for 1,000 rupees. So I don't think they will add any customs for that. So if your order has very high amounts or very large, is in large amount, then you will get custom duty. So remember that it is completely safe to order way from MyProtein or any other websites, but remember you will be paying custom duty. It is all government related stuff which I don't have much idea about, but I had to pay 35% of the total declared value, which was 3,700 something for my order. So I had to pay 35% of that plus some handling fee, so I had to pay 1,900. So it came somewhere around, I got per kg I had to pay around 800-900 bucks I think for my whey. So there are the two reasons why you should order this from myprotein.co.in and not any other website is because it comes directly from UK and not from any everything comes from the UK, but you never know what these people might do some mischievous stuff, and you might not get the value for money. Okay, so that is what I'm saying, and this is pretty cheap guys. 3,700 for 5 kgs of whey without custom duty is very good rate. Now few hacks guys, you can order, if you want, you can order smaller packets at once. Okay, now for example order half kg pouch or 3 times, okay, or something like that. So you can do all these things as well. You can't get away with custom duty because it is so big, and they will check it up and they will add some duty. Now what about the customer service? My order got delayed, and there were many reasons. In Karnataka we were having Dashara or some festival, or I don't know which, there was some festival going on here, and because of that it got delayed a lot. Okay, and they have mentioned that as well in the website. So remember, customer service from MyProtein is first class. You will not have to worry about anything. Suhas's order got delayed somewhere, and they have been very cooperative, and they have been sending it back again and again and again. So sometimes your order can get lost. Okay, so if that is the case, you can contact MyProtein and they will get it fixed for you, or you can also contact the shipping company. They will also get it done for you. So don't worry about the customer service. That is the best thing about MyProtein, and the flavors are very good. Now if you ask me what results did I get, trust me guys, whey protein won't give you a lot of results unless and until your diet and workout is very good. So I'm just using like 2-3 scoops in a day, which gives me 60 grams of protein, and the taste is like again first class. The birthday cake flavor is very good. I think you can order any flavors, and the best thing about MyProtein is you can get t-shirts which are very good. It fits very nicely, and you can also get stuff like peanut butter, oats, and vanilla extract, and everything that is necessary for you to make gains. Okay, so you can also buy clothes as well. So I think if you buy clothes, you won't have a lot of custom issues. So the only issue will come when the pack looks big. Now when I came back from my trip, I had a big pack with me, right? So again, that is when the customs people called us and they checked us up, and we were clear. Okay, so it happens a lot, and remember that, don't escape from it. If you're going to get the best, safe, and it's not going to be fake. Okay, so remember, you can freely order. And again guys, I'm saying this is not a paid thing. I'm getting so many questions about MyProtein and whether or not it's a fake website. How can it be fake guys? Come on, you can see the website and realize it won't be fake, right? So if somebody wants to do some fake stuff, it won't be that like clean, and it won't look that good, right? So anyways, so that is all about MyProtein website. If you guys have any more questions, hop on to our group on Facebook called Aspire to Inspire. Few people have ordered MyProtein supplements, and they will help you out. Even though I'm not that active these days, they will help you out for sure. So everybody has to pay customs. You can't escape from that. If you order like citrulline mallet and stuff, you might not have to pay customs. But the way I got it is, I got a letter from the post office to my house. They called me up to the post office. I had to go to the post office, pay the amount, show my ID proof and stuff, and then get my supplement. So that is the only way you're going to get it. And that is all, guys. That is about myprotein.co.in website. It is completely safe and it is better to order from there. And in my opinion, in my honest opinion, in a couple of years, MyProtein will be #1 selling way in India for sure. This is my prediction, and I think it will come true because they are very silent, guys. I've not heard lot of marketing and stuff from MyProtein. They're just silent and people buy their stuff because it's good. So my experiences so far from MyProtein is good. This will be my supplement for maybe for a long time, unless they do some stupid stuff and cheat some people. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know what you think about myprotein.co.in. Share your experiences in the comments box down below so that people can get benefit out of it. So this was my answer, and remember, I have attached images of all the stuff in the description box down below. You can download that as well. So, and if you want to order some supplement, you can use my link. It's my link. You can also create your own link as well. So that's all, guys. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and let them know MyProtein is easy. And MyProtein, you better give me some reward for this, because you're getting some free promotion and people are going to buy from you. So just kidding, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll be back again. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.